Hey guys, it's Mukbang Mama. Got some cucumbers in my teeth. I just did a quick video on TikTok, but I'm gonna post that once this video is posted. Okay, so we have a smorgasbord of food right here. We have some crispy chicken wings. We have some delicious, this is a quesadilla made from flour tortilla or coconut flour tortillas. We have some gluten-free cream cheese. I'll show you what that's for. We have some hummus. I'm just gonna try it. We have some sour cream. All this is gluten-free. We have some delicious, refreshing watermelon juice. We have some cucumbers, and that's what I bit into on that video. I have some carrots, and I have my favorite hot sauce. My favorite. There was only one left, and I got the last one. So let's dig in. Okay, so let's start off by showing you guys one of my favorite snacks. Okay, you got some cream cheese. You spread it. You get some hot sauce. It's a little bit too much. We're gonna pour some hot sauce on this chicken too. It's so good. There you go. Cheers. Mmm. You may hear a little din in the background. Okay, so that's like one of my favorite snacks. I think that's keto because it's only cream cheese. There's really like, there's 0 grams of carbs in this, so, and it's gluten free. And then I'm gonna be trying this with you guys for the first time. Hummus. I had carrot hummus before and I liked it, but I don't know about regular hummus. I'm gonna try it with a carrot because, you know, health. And don't worry about double dipping because I'm the only one who eats this stuff. Oh. Kind of tastes like refried beans. It's good though. Okay. This is actually a whole one. So let's just break it apart. Okay. We'll add some sour cream. Man, I made you guys a smorgasbord today of food. No! I have a tripod. But like, it goes up way over my head. And like you see like down this way and you can't really see the food. So I just sit it like that. Even though like it brings out my double chin like hardcore. And I just spilled some of my hot sauce. What I'm gonna do, so I don't get too much hot sauce, I'm gonna do like that, then fold it like a burrito. Feels like a regular tortilla to me. I'm almost confused. Which is your guys' favorite parts? The drumstick or the flats? My favorite is the flats. It tastes just like a regular tortilla.
Does it?
Mm-hmm. I'm shook up.
Is it that good?
It's like good. Mmm. I'm not used to like, just pouring hot sauce on my wings. I'm used to them already having sauce on them. Mmm. Still really good. Sorry, I forgot to buy at the store some napkins.
You can only eat it, what's it right here? Everything area?
No, Berson. I'll get in that car.
I want you guys to tell me in the comments down below. Oh, great, there's a stem. What looks the best to you in this picture? What would you eat out of all this?
Thank you.
Mmm.
He goes for camera like in my toy.
Hmm? Where are you going? I can't see you. Mmm. It's always like a mess after I eat. I have to like brush my teeth, get a toothpick. I have this like thing that's meant for people with braces and pick it out. I was like, having braces is a mess, but it's worth it because I was super insecure about my teeth. Oh well. Come out. I love cream cheese. I know a lot of people, come to YouTube, and that's probably why I stopped for a while, because a lot of people come to YouTube to like watch people eat like, fast food or like really, really bad fattening food, and but I like to like make options to where people can actually make and that are gluten-free, because there's really like, I guess there's more gluten-free options than there was when I first started gluten-free diet, but The hummus is more of a, like, I don't know. I'd have to eat that with like chips or something. Cream cheese on the other hand. And sour cream. But yeah, I know that some people go to YouTube so only want to watch bad food, but I mean, this probably isn't like the craziest, healthiest food, but it helps you stay in remission. If you're doing something right. I love the air fryer because like the bones come like right out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some hot sauce. I like this hot sauce. Yeah, it is habanero. It's not hot like a habanero at all. I'm gonna add that in my quesadilla.
Ryan,
I just sat down.
did you take my phone?
No. Right there.
Where?
Man, this is a messy one. Super messy one. Sorry, cannot escape the dog barks or the baby cries. You want to know what? I think some people live alone and they're super lonely, and you know, hearing the background noise, I don't think bugs everyone. I think it actually, like, you know, helps some people who may be lonely. So if it doesn't bother you, it don't bother me. I got on my teeth any day. Like the flat ones. They go down on the tortilla pretty well. Take out the bone. Oh, missing another bone. Ooh, there we go. Bedtime. Body, yaddy, 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 yaddy. The kids had and Abel had a seafood boil. I made them. I made them lobster, potatoes, corn on the cob, and Woa just wanted crab legs. And corn on the cob. There's this chick on TikTok, and she eats the green bell peppers with the cream cheese in. I don't like bell peppers. I couldn't even put on a poker face for that one. So I was like, she uses the Albago seasoning, which I cannot find anywhere. Let me get like a napkin, hold on. I completely forgot what I was talking about, but I think I was talking about the cream cheese and bell pepper. Couldn't do it. And all the bagel seasoning, but I prefer my cream cheese. I mean, if you can have gluten, whatever, go get yourself some regular cream cheese and some hot sauce. I prefer this hot sauce because it is the bomb. We'll save that right there. The smaller one. I'm like so weird with my chicken. Like I like the smaller wings. Like most people like want ones with like a lot of meat on it. For some reason I have to have the ones with the least amount of meat on it. Oops. I'm gonna add some more of my hot sauce, which is all greasy, and I have to like wash it after every meal. And then try it as a bug you. Hey, what are you doing?
Nothing. Where's my Mom? I'm blind. I am blind. I've been looking for a ball. I'm gonna follow it.
What is that? Ice cream sandwich?
Yeah.
Sometimes, like on a lucky day, you'll get me where I'll chew with my mouth closed, but for the most part, my nose always starts running when I eat. Or I get like very nasally. I start chewing with my mouth open. We have our last piece of cucumber. I have some wings here, but I'm gonna give it to Brixton or Abel because I'm full. I've been trying like every day this week to make a video for you guys. This is really good. It just says watermelon and lemon. Alright guys, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Comment down below if you want to request me to do a makeup video. Another cooking or like another eating video, but what do you want to see me eat? I could try to make it gluten-free. What else? Ask me anything. You guys know I'm an open book. Alright guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.